Intense snowfall and icy conditions have caused major travel disruptions across Europe, with 6 people reported dead in weather-related incidents. 5 deaths occurred in France due to hazardous driving, while a woman was killed in Sarajevo after a snow-laden tree fell on her. Hundreds of flights have been cancelled, stranding passengers at airports in Paris and Amsterdam. In France, severe snow and black ice have led to cancellations of flights and train services, with authorities urging people to avoid travel. Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam saw over 400 flight cancellations, and KLM reported shortages of de-icing fluid. Train services in the Netherlands were also disrupted, adding to the chaos. Travel disruptions are expected to continue into Wednesday.